Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Okay, let's see what happens here. 5-minute auto pairing. And let's see. Raller, a 1975. Let's try a normal open Sicilian. Or the 1970s style, 1980s, 70s. Poison pawn variation. Oh, we're going into it. Can I just play knight b3? Oh, let's just go into this poison pawn. How does this go, really? Take on f6 and then hope for the best. e5, bishop e2. I just try and cancel. I think casting an f5. Black's got the dangerous dark square bishop. Of course, I've got pressure. I think I want to use the e4 square. If I play for e5 and use the e4 square at some point, this bishop h6 is annoying. Okay, I'll unpin there. I think e5 for knight e4. I think I've played this myself with this, and it was bad against some strong player once. If I go for this for knight e4 to sack a piece, isn't that dangerous compensation? If I get knight f6 in, open up that f file, I get knight f6. This could be really dangerous for black's king. I think this is a good idea, generally, in this line. Alright, rook f7, and check. Knight e6. I can go crazy, caveman crazy here. The rook sack. Well, there's knight e6, and then what? This diagonal, queen g5 for bishop h5. That looks okay. Knight e6 for queen g5 for bishop h5. I'm trying with this h5 pawn. So bishop h5 coming up. Trying to win some material back. Win the exchange back.
Check. Check.
This looks good. So just, I don't know, queen f7. We'll just pin this guy, pin and win, threatening rook f8. Or knight f6 threatens queen e8. Oh, this could be fun. Was immediate rook takes f8 threat. I think this is a good idea, this e5 for knight e4 generally. It seems to be working out here quite well. Oh, he's resigned. Wow. Wow. I don't think I've ever won in the poison pawn before. This is a first. I think it was Eric Lobborn when he smashed me in this line. I think he played for that e5 break. So apparently e5 here is, well, it's very theoretical. So I played it here. So apparently black's better. So taking is dangerous. Check.
Check. Check.
So this could actually be dangerous. Queen b2. Queen b2. I guess it's threatening rook d1. And it's on this rook. That's interesting.
Check.
Wow. Oh man, what a way to play the attack from the engine perspective, to keep an eye on H8. So anyway, oh, this looks good now after this. Knight E6 is actually a good move. I've actually played two good moves. From this position, the engine actually likes this continuation. Knight E6, Queen G5, nearly +5.
Check. Check.
Wow. Was there anything more crushing here? No, that's
Check.
fine. Queen G5 check.
Check.
Even more crushing. And if here, with a forced mate, somehow, Knight F6 check. Okay, it all looks pretty good. This looks pretty good. Queen C4, there's Rook takes F8. Knight D6, yeah, it looks grim for black. So threatening Knight C8 and taking on D7.
Check.
Yeah, how to get a piece up. How comes the back row isn't that weak? Rook D7 is possible. No queen check.
Check.
There's always Rook D1, right? Okay, yeah, I hope you enjoyed that one. That was a bit of a crush. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.